The Marzi and Costa Show!
And Hands too!
Yeah!
Good morning, Hands!
Good
Let's make breakfast!
Time for breakfast!
Yay! Today we're going to make avocado toast.
Oh yeah.
Real easy. First, you put the bread in the toaster.
Alright.
We're using gluten-free bread.
Gluten-free?
Yeah, because I can't eat gluten.
Oh yeah. Oh, like that time we were in the Detroit airport and you went to a restaurant with me and you asked for gluten-free ingredients and the woman was kind of rude.
Yeah, well, she was.
I didn't like that, Marzi.
Okay,
No,
Hands.
it's not okay. I didn't like that at all.
Take a breath. Take a breath.
Okay, I'm good now.
I guess they had a hard time at the Detroit airport.
I'm not going there.
Yeah,
I like Detroit.
I don't like Detroit.
I do.
I love it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Hands, take the avocado and cut it lengthwise. That's nice.
Avocado's
Yeah.
interesting to look at.
It is. Avocado has good fat. It's a good plant fat.
I thought fat was bad.
No. Not all fat is bad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Where's avocado from?
I'm not sure. We should ask the professor.
Yeah, let's ask the professor.
Professor!
Professor!
Where is avocado from?
Where's avocado from, Professor?
Yeah.
Avocado, you say? It's loaded, yes. It is loaded with vitamin. It's practically a multivitamin. Indeed. It's great for the digestive system. Loaded with fiber. And it is originated from Yes, I'm getting there. Southern Mexico. And, yes, Central America. You are correct, Phineas, as always. So, that is all. Good day, sir.
Oh, I didn't realize
I
that.
didn't realize that either. That's interesting.
Okay, so mash the avocado, Hands. You got it. Looks yummy.
It does. I like avocado on my chip.
Yeah, that's guacamole.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So then you take the mashed avocado.
Mashed avocado.
You can add a pinch of salt. You can get really creative. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of crushed red pepper, but not this morning.
Yeah, too much red pepper makes my mouth burn.
Yeah, it does. Or you could use regular pepper. You could sprinkle some lemon juice on it if you wanted.
Okay, yeah.
But we're going real simple this morning.
You know what else lemon juice goes good on?
What?
Salmon.
Yeah, but this is avocado toast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, some people have smoked salmon for breakfast. They put it on their bagel.
No, stop talking about salmon!
Okay, sorry.
So we're gonna add in some extra veggies with the tomato. So as you can see, Hands is slicing it up and
Oh, yeah,
putting
it's
it
pretty.
on top.
Look at that.
Yeah, real simple breakfast.
It's like she's cutting little red bubbles.
That looks real pretty, Hands.
Pretty hands.
Yeah.
like
was
you,
pretty.
hands pretty.
I can't wait to eat this for breakfast.
You pretty too, Marzi.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh no, the tomato fell off because she's holding it up vertical.
Yeah, it is pretty to look at, I must say.
Why is she holding it vertical?
You only eat avocado toast horizontal. I guess you didn't get the memo. Silly human.
I know. Silly.
Okay, that's it for today. I'm gonna go eat my
Yeah,
toast.
but first I'd like to thank our sponsors.
We don't have any sponsors.
Oh, okay. Not quite there yet. Okay, we get there. We'll get there. We'll get sponsors. You'll see. Okay, bye everybody. Enjoy your avocado toast.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And if you want to leave a comment, like maybe you have got some ideas on things that you would like to see done, just let us know. We'd love to consider that.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye everybody.